The trial of Henry Katanga and 4 others were named in the alleged murder of the businessman Henry Katanga, who was murdered at his residence in Mbuya, that is November 2023, continued today with the cross-examination of the head of the Directorate of Forensic Sciences at Uganda Police, that is Andrew Mubiru, and in the dock there were 4 others, that is the 2 daughters of the late Henry Katanga who were accused of tampering with evidence, plus the Shamba boy and the nurse. Henry Katanga, who is the widow, followed the court proceedings via Zoom from the Luzira Women's prisons. And these were appearing before Justice Isaac Muata. The cross-examination of the Director of the Forensic Sciences Directorate at Uganda Police went on from morning until the better part of the afternoon, and the defense lawyers were trying to find out as to whether the swabs or the DNA genes that were picked from the killer gun, that is its trigger and the housing of the trigger, were manipulated or not.
Would I be right to say that the contributors to this mixture cannot be explained merely by combination of Henry, Molly and Patricia, without noticing that somebody else is contributing DNA and that you are hiding that information?
My Lord, I have no information I'm hiding. Our opinion is that there are at least 3 donor contributors from the mixed DNA profile on specimen 682Y23S017.
It was noted during cross-examination that the moment you find more than 4 alleles or genes on a given object, it means there are more than 2 contributors to that DNA sample.
Would I be right to say number 17 is missing?
Number 17 was omitted in the transcription.
So it's missing?
It was omitted in the transcription.
This was intentional?
My Lord, I cannot speak to that, but from the look of the electrophotogram, it was omitted because of it has a peak height of 313.
Justified is your base. Your base is 300.
Our threshold is at 300.
It was noted that on one of the samples that was taken by police, there were 3 contributors to the alleles or the DNA and genes, and that is genes from the late Henry Katanga, his wife Henry Katanga, and daughter Patricia Kakwanza.
It is also correct that there is some DNA on that gun that does not belong to Henry, Molly, or Patricia.
My Lord, there is an allele number 17 at locus D3, which does not belong to either of the persons mentioned.
Is it a lie to say that it is a billion times more likely that Molly contributed more DNA than Henry when they are in such striking distance of each other?
A major is a major, a minor is a minor.
The defense lawyers further told court that the Forensics Department of Uganda Police used an outdated version of a software that is used to analyze DNA samples.
I would like to correct say there was an up-to-date, free software, and you elected to use an outdated, expired software.
Yes, ma'am. So we used an earlier release software.
The cross-examination of the forensics expert from Uganda Police will continue tomorrow. Sudhir Yarhanga, NTV at the High Court, Kampala.